Hey, what you dropping my dough?
Move that dough. Y'all move that dough and move that dough. Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas day 14. Today we're doing something fun, festive, and competitive. We are having a holiday bake-off between me and my husband.
Yeah, and guess who's winning?
I'm the judge, and I'm taking my job very seriously.
Yeah, she created these numbers, y'all. She's not playing.
Yeah, Harper, make sure you vote for me.
It's gonna be a blind judging.
Hold on.
So she'll be in here while we're baking.
Now it's blind.
I can see your mind.
Right.
Yes, so she's not gonna know who baked what. We're baking the same thing. She's gonna see who baked it better.
I'm gonna bake it with love. She'll know it's mine.
Alright y'all, let's get into it. We are using the same recipe. We're making red velvet snowball cookies with white chocolate filling. I actually got us cream cheese chocolate chips so that it aligns with the red velvet flavors. So it's gonna be all about technique and flavor. All right, y'all, let's get into this baking. We're using the same ingredients. I do have a secret ingredient that's gonna put me over the edge.
That's cheating.
It's not.
That's cheating.
It's not.
Whatever.
It's not.
You don't need a secret ingredient when you use exact measurements, so I already know. I'm gonna win.
Well, I'm going off vibes because I've been cooking and baking for years.
Me too. I used to do a mean box cake.
You got the instructions?
Man, help me out.
Nope.
I don't need your help. So dry ingredient. I need some flour.
So what is your goal?
To win. I'm trying to win. I ain't here to play with your mama.
What is your goal?
To have the best flavor.
You know how you have the best flavor ever? Oh look, I don't gotta measure that now. Okay, yeah.
And then the extra salt you just throw over your shoulder for good luck. Alright y'all, I'm about to put in my secret ingredient. Let me show y'all what it is. Yeah, he's so focused, he's so locked in.
Yeah, I don't want to look at your secret ingredient.
This is gonna take it to the next level. So, I'm gonna add this, it's gonna enhance the flavors.
Oh, it's already pretty softened. It's already softened. Ellery, I gotta soften my own butter. Half a cup.
That's probably a whole stick.
2 sticks. Hold on, am I reading this right?
2 sticks is 1 cup.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Wow, I've never actually paid attention to these.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, other than the tablespoon, I've never paid attention to those other things.
See?
Yeah.
I'm the baker.
You're a cook.
It's supposed to be on a medium speed, but I guess we're gonna hand mix it.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's all.
I put my sugar in with my dry ingredients.
Oh! That's how you know you messed up.
Oh my god.
You know you messed up now, don't you?
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Y'all see this? Embarrassed. Embarrassed.
It's okay.
Some would call that light fluffy. That's a workout right there, big dog. She didn't offer me no whisk.
I did.
I know. I'm gonna beat you with traditional tools.
Whisk is a tradition.
You ain't following the instructions. Hand me the vanilla.
Oh dang, I ain't put my vanilla in there.
See? And see, I wish I had my own ingredients. I wish I had my own ingredients, Harper.
Go ahead.
Cause Harper, I'm helping your mama cook. Okay, she can't cook. I'm the cook.
Y'all hear all this smack talk? Alright, mix until combined. You don't want to overmix. So after we mix them, we're both going to put our bowls in the refrigerator to chill for 30 minutes. And we know whose is whose. We have different bowls. Alright y'all, we are back. Our dough has chilled. So now we are going to roll them and fill them. I don't feel like my dough's a little wet.
What is it? Cause you ain't listen. She ain't follow no instructions. Look at this. Well.
Mine ain't going nowhere either.
Yeah, that's what you think.
Alright, do you want to...
Yeah, I already gave you an advantage in the first round.
I want it. It says cream cheese. Oh, it's cream cheese flavor. I don't think that's cream cheese. Along with the ancestors, y'all, I added some more flour. Cause how am I supposed to roll it if it's so wet? So y'all, EJ doing this is me proving to him that he can cook, pleading my case. He can cook more at home, okay? So, if he ever pops up here in any vlog, any video, any footage and say he don't cook, don't know how to cook, can't cook, run this back, okay?
You want to rinse that up because I want the flavors combining.
Yeah. It says to put it on the coconut on after you bake, but I'm gonna let it bake with mine, get a little toasted coconut. Alright y'all, I'm going off script.
You've been going on script the whole time. They ain't surprised.
I feel led.
Yeah, mine look like pierogies.
Alright you all, we are plating. That's what I chose. They don't actually look like snowballs, but you know, cute little cookies. And EJ probably believes his are Michelin star.
Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. Trying to be like me.
Okay, so you are going to judge each cookie on these 5 categories. Appearance, texture, the white chocolate melt, red velvet flavor, and holiday vibes. Okay? So you're going to start with cookie A. Judge on these categories. Write your numbers 1 through 10.
I don't have a...
You don't need a fork. It's a cookie. And then you'll go to cookie B. 1 through 10.
cookie.
Alright, and you can, you know, share your thoughts with the camera.
Appearance. Now it's time to try the texture. It's a little too soft. I don't really taste the white chocolate.
It's in the center. That's all of them, so you gotta go to the center.
Okay. Time for A.
That's B.
Oh. Why does it have a lot of whatever this is? Looks like snow. This is good.
Harper, would you like to tell us who the winner is? Cookie B. Will the cookie B please stand up or step forward? Bias! Corruption! I want to speak to HR!
Harper said, oh, this is good. It pays to follow the recipe.
Let me see.
The texture was too soft.
On that one?
It's getting brownie vibe. He double baked his. I like mine better. I like my flavor better. I do like your texture.
Harper probably thought she was voting for you.
Dang!
Got me a tip.
Y'all, she gave him a perfect score.
I already knew how it was gonna go.
I demand to speak to HR.
I am HR.
Wow.
You did the right thing. What it was the toasted coconut on top.
Mine was toasted too.
Wow, look at that. Look at that toast.
Alright, thank y'all so much for watching Vlogmas Day 14 as they eat these winning cookies. But I'll give it to them. She's the judge. If I was the judge, I would have picked this cookie. The flavor is better. I don't know. But hey, I will concede I lost. It is what it is.
Winning is what I do.
Tell us who you think should have won just based on our vibes in the kitchen. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15. Bye, y'all.
Bye, YouTube.